Today we're going to pull out this goddamn starter out of a I can't even think, 2006 Lincoln Town car. It's got a no crank, no start problem. Well, since I'm underneath here and I'm not climbing back out, here's what you can test before I get in more detail. That's from the battery cable. That's going with that wire right there into the starter. And this is the solenoid that does all that. So what you can do is take a screwdriver, touch this post and that post together with the key, or with the ignition on. I'm sorry. I'm tired, brain dead. And if it doesn't work, try it a few times and then take something real heavy. I use a ratchet, works pretty good. You can use a hood rat too if you can find her. Hit the starter really hard, about 4 or 5 times, and then touch those two together again. If it don't, touch those two together at the same time and then bang on it, and you'll hear it. If it doesn't kick in and you have the ignition on, then you got a bad starter. If you do hear it, it sounds like it's whining and it doesn't move the flywheel to try to start it, again, it's a bad one. But a bunch of times with the no start, no crank, that's what it is the damn starters. Because I removed the PAT system for its garbage alarm system. These damn starters will also kill your battery too. Alright, so we're removing it. God damn, my sinuses are running. You got a bolt here, and you got 2 more ridiculous ass spots. You got that one there, and you got the one up top there. I only know this because I did a starter on an F350. Same exact position and everything. It's just that starter's a little bit bigger. Not by much. Same position and everything. So, I don't know how the hell I'm going to get this one off. Because I got a motor mount right there. And literally, I got maybe a thumb width. I'm assuming those are 13s, but I don't know. I don't have my damn toolbox open yet. Yep, 13. Nope. Fuck. 12. I'm just off today. I don't know what the fuck's going on. No. Yeah, it's 13. So now I'm going to attempt to get them off. Alright, round fucking 2. This goddamn starter. After you disconnect that, we already went over that yesterday. See that right there? That's 13 millimeter. That's the first bolt you take out and the last bolt you put in. Next one is that one. And like I said, that one. And you're going to need an extension. 3/8. Like so. I don't know what the hell the part number is on this one. Let's see. It says 4426-1. .13 millimeter like that. And you're going to need this bad boy. And the best way to come at it is the contortionist shit like I got. I should have jacked up both sides. It'd have made it a lot easier. But my stepson's a douchebag and did something with my fucking jack stand. So I am that, and I'm all the way underneath this motherfucker. I'm doing some Final Destination shit. So you pull that off there, and like I said, that one there, and I'm hoping there's enough room. If there's not, believe me, you sure know about it. All right, let's back this shit up. You do the last bolt, and you just gotta kind of shimmy it like that. Shimmy, shimmy, and down. And that's it. Same way to put the fucker back up. It's just that last bolt's a bitch. And if you take a look at it, it's because of the fucking block. Can't imagine why Ford would do some stupid shit like that, but okay, whatever. That's pretty much how you take it out. It's not too hard, as long as you got the right damn tools. This is just a side note. This is a 10 millimeter. It's on the solenoid, which kicks in the starter. And of course, you know what this is. This came off of it. When you get one of these from at least Advance, it comes with a pigtail, and it says to splice this and hook that up to it. On no circumstances are you to do that dumb shit. This is the factory wiring. Whenever possible, use the factory shit. That will only create a short, which will burn it out faster. But they don't want you to know that because they want you to buy another one. So, just a little side note to pay attention to next time.